and plants are a symbol of growth and endurance. So, we welcome our guests with a token of welcome, with giving the plants and pinning up the badges. Thank you, children. I now invite our physical education teacher, Dr. P.L. Prasanna, to give the introduction of what this camp is about and introduction of the coaches.
Good morning, everyone. Distinguished guests, Honorable Sri Venkatachalam sir, our site director, KAPS 3 and 4, Vice Principal ma'am, Headmistress ma'am, coaches, and my colleagues, Music sir and Salman sir, Rana sir, and my lovable children, the future athletes, warm good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
It's time to accept yourself, respect and admire yourself, nourish yourself and work on yourself to bring the next version of yourself. What I mean, you're getting me? The new technology comes when you're using the science and technology, the next version of whatever the gadgets we're using, that is how we always look for the next version of ourselves. With this motto, I will begin the day. This day is so auspicious, and then with the grace of God, and then it's a Gudi Padwa, Ugadi, and also Golden Jubilee of our AES Society. This is the best day to start. Well, I here to brief you. Yes, sir, this is too much eco problem. Bear with us. Well, I'm here to brief you about the Sports Coaching Camp 2019. Like every year, our school is going to organize sports coaching. I'll just switch off this. In collaboration with our DAA Sports Council, Mumbai, along with AECS Kakrapar, to organize in 3 different games, number of children and the number of games decided by Sports Council. And unlike every year, we chosen 3 games. It's a basketball, badminton, and the Sepak Takraw of the new game. But unfortunately, we could not continue with the Sepak Takraw because of the coach having a sad demise of his mother-in-law. Due to that, in the last moment, we could not arrange the same game new coach. We ended up with football coach. He is coming from Palanpur. Overnight, we checked and arranged for all the tickets and the overnight journey he took, and he reached by now this time to Surat. He'll be reaching by Colony by 10:45. I'll be introducing it to you in the evening. Sir, we are having 3 different games with the people of 75 children, and initially we will be keeping the registration part open for all the children, starting classes of 6 to 12. The whoever will it nothing but preliminary camp. We will children, and by looking at regularity as well as their sincerity game. I hope I'm clear with. Yeah. Thank you. Hello. Yeah. Sir, when we open the registration part, the children has to contribute their fee of 800 rupees, registration 50 rupees plus the main camp fee 750, the first timers. The second timers are more than once they took part in a camp, they have to pay by 900 plus the 50 rupees registration. That is how child will be contributing to the camp to enroll their name, and along with it, Sports Council Mumbai and then AEC Katrapar, on each kid, 500 rupees each they are contributing. So put together, we had our budget to meet all the expenses. Yes, sir. Children, do you know why we are organizing 21 days camp? Anybody? No idea? Sorry? Okay, maybe you are little closer. Why we will organize 21 days is, I have a small explanation for you. You know, the psychological expert says that rule number 21 by 90, it means the rule says anything you do, it takes 21 days to create a habit, and it takes 19 days to create a lifestyle or achieve something. So here is the big note. Right now, you all are creating the habit by learning your favorite game of 21 days. As soon as you come back from your summer vacation, I'm looking forward to engage you for a 19 days to achieve your goals and you make your lifestyle. Is that clear now? That is how we are following 21 days. Why not 30 days? Why not 40 days? Every theory has its own rules. Now, we chosen 3 games. Among them, as I told you, the basketball coach and badminton coaches are here. I'm going to introduce about them. Instead of sepak takraw, we are having Indian football. So you like it, right? Yeah, I'm sure, I promise, in future coming academic session, we will also take a special permission from LNC as well as the principal sir to take the sepak takraw in a different session. You know, sepak means the smash or a kick, and takraw means it's in a Thai language. It's organizing, so it is internationally very popular. So in our Indian and especially in Gujarat, we are the ones to begin. I'm just hoping the best to climb the ladder of international level. That is how we would like to start the new game, sir. Children, I tried a lot to get another coach of the same game. But as I promise you, I'll definitely make sure sepak takraw we are going to learn this year. Now, I introduce the coaches who are present here. Mr. Vishal Kumar Gupta, he is a badminton coach and he has completed his BSc graduation. Yeah. Completed his BSc in graduation and he is pursuing his bachelor degree in physical education from Vallabh Vidyanagar. He also played couple of nationals. Among them, he played 2 nationals in badminton and 4 nationals in table tennis. Now, I introduce Master Shivam Joshi, basketball coach. He is a BA graduate. He also pursuing Bachelor of Physical Education in Vallabh Vidyanagar, Anand. And the principal of the Physical Education College is happened to one of the friend of our Dilip Singh sir, our principal. That's how we could able to meet these 2 guys. And he also played inter-universities in basketball and also West Zone Nationals in cricket. So, as I told you, Mr. Ayush Sharma, he is coming from Palanpur. I'm going to introduce in the evening session. I finish with a few lines. You know, children, when I'm training, I hated every minute of my training. But with my experience, I strongly say to you, don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. Your life only gets better when you do it. Work on yourself and the rest will follow you. Thank you.